Hello students, you're watching Kashyap tutorial and I'm Prabhakar Acharya. Students, once again I'm going to discuss unseen passage, that is the Shashta Vibhaga, sixth part of entire Sanskrit question paper of 10th standard, and it is of 8 marks, but here I'm going to discuss I will share you answers of unseen prose passage, not poetry passage, so this is only of 4 marks. So once again, I suggest you read carefully, be ready with your pencil and to underline important words. And remember, this passage has come already in March 2020 papers. ये 2020 में ये passage आया था. So let's start first. First, read carefully. So here the passage is Chittodasya Nupah Veervarah Maharana Pratapa Balyat Prabhutti Nirbhayah Udarascha Asit. यदा सः राजा अभवत् तदा सः प्रतिज्ञाम् अकरोत् तावत् अहं सुखानि न सेविष्ये यावत् मम देशः स्वतन्त्रः न भवति परेषाम् ऐश्वर्येण सुखसाधनैः सः न कदापि सम्मोहितः तस्य मनः नित्यं स्वातन्त्र्यप्राप्तेः विचारैः व्यापृतम् आसीत् युद्धभूमौ मृत्युसमये अपि स देशस्य स्वतन्त्रताविषये चिन्तयति स्म मनसा स्मरामः तं महान्तं देशभक्तं. So this is the passage. Here, just see, here is the conversation about Chittodasya Nupa, that is Maharana Pratap, the king of the city Chittor, and इनके बारे में बताया गया कि वो कैसे थे. उदारह, निर्भया, उदारा, these are the two विशेषणs of Maharana Pratap. Then what he promised here, so it is said here, यावत हम सुखानि न से तावत हम सुखानि न से विषय, I will not enjoy happiness, I will not be happy till my country will not become uh, independent. तो ये सब इसमें दिया गया है. Now find out the question answers here. What answers means first question is here Purna Vakyen Uttaram Likata. Right, answer in complete sentence. And the question is Chittodasya Nupah Kaha. Kah means who? Who was the king of Chittodasya? So my answer will be Maharana Pratapaha. चित्तौड़स्य नृपः महाराणा प्रताप. मैं यहाँ पे पूरा ले लेता हूँ. Just see from where I am picking the answers. So इसी तरह से आपका आंसर होना चाहिए. Just write उत्तरम and then mention right complete चित्तौड़स्य नृप वीरवरः महाराणा प्रतापः आसीत्. This is the answer of this first. So here the answer main word is Maharana Pratapaha. So I will underline this word. Now come to second question. That is Pratipadikam Likata means right. Mool Shabd, original word. So Sukhani is the original word is Sukha. It is noun and Tasya it is Tad Sarvanam. So these are the two answers. Sukhani is noun and Pratipadik Shabd, that means you write main word. Underline this word. So answer find out करने में easy रहेगा. Come to वाक्यम पुनर्लिखित्वा सत्यम असत्यम इति लिखिता. परेशान ऐश्वर्यन सुख साधने सा सम्मोहिता means he was infatuated by the luxurious life, by the happiness of परेशान ऐश्वर्यन सुख साधने सा सम्मोहिता. So he was infatuated, he was attracted by the happiness of the luxurious life of others. So it is asatyam. So write the sentence mention there asatyam. मैंने पहले मैं आपको दिखाया था कि पूरा वाक्य में लिखो और इसमें इस तरह से मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. जस्ट राइट डाउन असत्यम. ये आंसर आपका इस तरह से होना चाहिए. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज माध्यम भाषया सरलार्थम लिखत. सो माध्यम भाषया सरलार्थम लिखत मीन्स राइट translation means anuvad sarlarth in English. So madhyam bhasha, that your medium is English, so you have to write is a meaning in English, and the answer is yuddha samay, at even at the time of his death on the battlefield, he thought about the freedom of country. So this is the answer. Translation means sarlarth means simple meaning of this passage, this sentence. I hope you understood this one. And yeah, now, come to next question. Gadyansaat Prathama Vibhaktiyant Padam Chinuta Likhata Cha means find out Prathama Vibhakti forms from the passage and write. तो प्रथमा व्यक्ति का फॉर्म्स कौन कौन सा है इसमें? तो नुपह, नुपह, देन वीरवरह, देन महाराणा प्रतापः, निर्भयः, even उदारः, Raja, etc. forms. Just I'm taking pick up a few forms only. No need to write much more forms, more than two forms or three forms because it will take time. So just write few forms and just see answers. ऐसे आपको लिखना है and just put their comma writing and then go to next word. Nirbhayah is also Prathama Vyakti form. Raja is also Prathama Rajan Anand. So Raja, Rajano, Rajana. So these are the Prathama Vibhakti forms. No need to make it sentence. Ke etani Prathama Vibhakti Rupani. Now the last question is here. Karak Parichayam Kuruta. Karak Parichay means again that question is based on Vibhakti. So instead of writing Prathama, Ditya, Tritiya, you have to mention Karak. So Manasa Smaramah Tam Mahantam Desha Bhaktam. So Manasa is Manas Sab, Sakarant Sab, and this is Tritiya Vibhakti, and Tritiya Vibhakti is called here Tritiya Vibhakti form को कहा जाता है करण कारक. Tritiya Vibhakti form is called Karan Karak. So, Karan Karakam is the answer of this. So, this is unseen passage which is asked in 2020 paper, in board paper, and same I discuss with you along with the question answers, and I suggest you do unseen passage, do writing practice to get full marks here. Now, in the next video, I'm going to discuss about the prose poetry passage, poetry slokas, means sloka based questions. So be ready. And again and again, I'm telling you, do revision every day. Make a habit to revise, mesmerize, means revise all the slokas, all the tables in the early morning. Same way, Upadvibhakti forms, essay writing, etc. That is the important part of the paper, of entire paper. So thank you watching this my video, and please do share with your friends.